Okay, you guys, in our first lesson today we are talking about tally charts. And we have done a few of these in class with different graphing activities that we've done. So a tally chart, it shows a mark for each vote in a survey. So for example, if I ask the class, I want you to choose what your favorite vegetable is. Do you like carrots, peas, or corn? And you can only vote once. So let's say in my class I have 3 people that like carrots. So I do 1, 2, 3 tallies. I have 2 people that like peas. So I do 2 tallies. I have 7 people that like corn. So I do 7 tallies. And remember, when we're doing tallies, so that we can keep track of how we count them, we can count them easier when we put them in bundles of 5. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then our 5th one goes across like that. That's just a reminder. Then on the side of our tally chart, we are going to put the number that represents the number of tallies. So I'll have 3 here, the number 2 here, and the number 7 here. Let's take a look at our chart. At the top is the title. It tells us what we're talking about. We're talking about favorite vegetables. And then we come down here. It lists the vegetable, the tally mark, and then the total. So how do we use tally marks to take surveys? We use them as a symbol for a number. So if I have 3 people, I can mark 3 tally marks. Let's take a look at this chart together. It wants us to write our totals and then answer the questions. So on this chart, we're talking about, they did a survey, what is your favorite color? Well, let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8 people liked red. So I'm going to put my total right there. 3 people liked blue. And 5 people liked purple. Now let's come down to our questions. How many people chose red? Let's look up at our chart, and it's easy because we put the total there. 8. How many people chose purple? I come back to my chart. There's my total of 5. Do more people like purple or blue? So I'm going to compare these numbers. Purple had 5, blue had 3. Do more people like purple or blue? More people liked purple because purple had 5, blue had 3. And I'm going to write purple in. This is kind of hard to write on the computer, so it's not very good handwriting. You guys can do better than me, I promise. Oh, there you go. Okay. How many more people like red than blue? So we have to come up here. We've got 8 people that like red. And I've got 3 people that like blue. So to find out how many more, I'm going to take my 8 minus 3, and that equals 5. So 5 more people like red than blue. On this, it wants you, let's look at it. Circle the tally chart that shows 2 students like crackers, 6 students like bananas, and 4 like carrots. So if I look at the very first prompt that it gives me, 2 students that like crackers. Oh, right here it shows 2 students that like crackers. Let's check the next thing. 6 students like bananas. That is correct. 4 students like carrots. That is also correct. So, I am going to circle the correct tally chart. Okay, so this has just been a little bit of what tally charts look like and how to fill them out. So I'm going to let you guys work in your books. The tally chart lesson is on page 509. You need to complete 509 to 514. And if you have any questions, ask your parents, or if you need to have them email me, have them email me. Have a great day and work hard.